Hi, my name's Andy Cullison. I'm the Executive Director of the Cincinnati Ethics Center, which just started here at the University of Cincinnati, and I'm inviting all high school teachers and students in the greater Cincinnati area to Ethics Bowl 101. You'll spend the evening with me and the University of Cincinnati National Championship Ethics Bowl team to talk about ethics and learn more about Ethics Bowl. What is Ethics Bowl, you ask? Well, it's a debate-style competition designed to help you grapple with complicated ethical issues, give voice to your values, and engage in thoughtful dialogue with others about those thorny issues that you care deeply about. The issues could deal with personal morality. Is it wrong to date your best friend's ex? They could deal with questions about school policy. Is it wrong for schools to require uniforms or a strict dress code? They could deal with questions about law or public policy, like should a 16-year-old have the right to vote? Or to what extent is it okay for the government to restrict our individual liberties in the name of public safety? What about downloading music or movies that you haven't paid for? Is that wrong? If not, why not? And should there be laws against such a thing? Now, I could go on, but that's what Ethics Bowl 101 is for. An opportunity for you to learn why this activity would be great for your school. We'll provide you with dinner and free parking. You'll have a chance to discuss ethical issues in small groups with each other and UC's Ethics Bowl team. You'll be able to try your hand at judging an Ethics Bowl round just to see how fun this competition can be. And if you like it, we'll give you everything you need to get an Ethics Bowl team started at your high school. So if you're interested in coming, register by filling out the form in the link in the description below. Oh, and this is our YouTube channel, so why don't you hit that subscribe button as well.